The Tata Harrier's infotainment system, particularly in pre-2024 models, can experience screen freezes. There are two main reset methods, a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a soft reset that restarts the system without deleting data, ideal for minor glitches. To reboot, press and hold the power button on the infotainment unit for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the system to its original settings, erasing all user data. This is necessary for persistent issues. To perform a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset. Confirm and wait for the system to reboot, which may take 5 to 10 minutes. Always back up your data before a factory reset, as it will erase saved playlists and other personal information. Screen freezes in the Tata Harrier are often due to software conflicts, electrical surges, or overheating. Before performing any reset, especially a factory reset, ensure you have backed up your data via USB or cloud sync. The vehicle should be in park with the engine off to avoid electrical issues. Avoid performing resets without backups, as data loss can occur. If a simple reboot doesn't fix the freeze, check for available over-the-air software updates from Tata Motors, as these often include patches for infotainment issues. As of 2025, the latest update is version 3.2.1 for models manufactured post-2023. Try a simple reboot if freeze persists. For advanced resets, the vehicle's diagnostic mode can be accessed by pressing the volume and power buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds, but this should only be done by experienced users. If problems persist, consider visiting an authorized Tata service center.